Peeps. I talked le brother, le sister, sister's spousal unit, she has a new one, and my spousal unit into doing the taste test. So I had to come back and do an intro because it got messed up. But I had ordered the Universal Yums, and it wasn't supposed to come till January, so we have the Universal Yums that showed up, and we have some that I'd picked up for this actual taste test when they were going to be here. So we're going to get right into it. I hope you guys have fun.
So we're opening this up?
Yes. Peeps! We're having a taste test.
Peeps.
Le brother, le sister, le boy toy, spousal unit, and me. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Universal Yums is first.
There's a red box here. And it's got stuff in it. Popcorn,
Indian jellies.
green tea, and strawberry.
Does it say what country?
Taiwan.
No, it's a holiday parade of flavors.
Holiday parade.
Okay, it's a
flavors.
surprise.
Are they from Norway?
I don't know where they're from.
Goat cheese.
Okay, so we take one.
And pass
Oh.
it around.
I'm going to
Take one,
take
pass
two
it
because there's a
around.
green one and there's a red one in there.
Yeah, this is like popcorn that.
It's green tea and strawberry. I'm guessing the green one is green tea and the red one is strawberry.
Okay, just to let you know.
And you're going to eat it after that?
Whoa. Well, if it's green, it must be alligator. Because I'm in Florida.
Okay, which one did you eat first?
Green.
The red one.
Tastes like food
Well,
coloring.
yeah.
The green one kind of tastes like
Hey,
straw.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like gator, that's for sure.
no, he's had gator.
I've had gator. I know what I speak of.
I have not.
You haven't had
That was
gator?
gross.
Okay.
Okay, those were nasty.
I thought the
don't buy
strawberry
them.
one was okay.
Yeah, strawberry one was okay.
Well, unfortunately, I ate the hay one first.
How'd you feel?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got my water.
Oops, I opened it. So this one is a Prosecco flavor bonbons. And there's a white one and a pink one in here. No, they're all white and pink. Doesn't have a smell.
Wow.
Oh.
It's firm but delicious.
Oh,
There's
Hey,
chili.
wow. I thought that was going to be like a marshmallow.
Yeah,
It tastes like Skittles, only not.
it's kind of tart.
It's making me tingle.
I would eat these.
Yeah, I would have those again.
yeah, those are good.
Those are from Britain.
I see.
The popcorn was from Taiwan.
Like that.
Huh?
What's
Like
this?
taffy?
Truffles Popcorn and Company.
Um,
This is popcorn truffles.
they're not admitting where that's from.
Is it on the other paper?
Maybe it's from Bhutan.
This has got no rip corner.
There's some nice little underwear right there. Can you see them? They're pink. Jane's gonna cut this out and add it to her collection of pink stuff that she has. I think she should glue it onto one of her flamingos.
That's a truffle.
Mm.
And it's gooking all over my fingers.
Let me see.
Somebody took a bite out of mine.
Oh
That's
no.
nasty. Look,
It was tested at the factory.
I guess.
This,
I
I
like that
think
one.
this is alligator droppings, but that's me.
I like that one.
Mm.
Why is it slimy?
I don't know.
Yeah, das ist gut.
That's good.
Oh wow. You guys, you gotta get that one.
That's good.
Yeah,
I like
that
that
was.
It'll melt in your mouth.
Not in your hand. Wait a minute. Yeah, I did.
Oh wow, guys, you. Oh wow, just.
That was good.
Not in there?
Did you like that one?
The chocolate one.
Yeah.
Wait, is there enough to go around again?
Well, we're gonna have to break off pieces on this one because there's only.
Here it is. Popcorn flavored chocolate truffle.
Oh yeah, that was
From
a good
France. No wonder.
one. Ah,
They know how to make.
in that case, you gotta go. Ho ho ho.
Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah, do it.
This is a plum cake with dulce de leche filling.
Wait, I thought plum cakes came from Britain.
Well, I don't know. Somebody has to look it up because I don't know.
Santa Fe, Argentina.
Argentina.
Argentina?
I'm glad you have your
Soft and
knife.
airy with dulce de leche jam
We should
inside.
have a better knife in
Why
here.
don't you just take your
because
What are you
knife
trying
and
to pronounce?
slice holes on it?
That one's not.
I think you should bite it
That's
and then,
not
and
a
then
good
pass the
knife.
bitten part to her, and then she'll pass it to me.
That's not a good knife to be able to. This is one. This is a one-person serving, so.
It was like a little loaf.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells
And we know how
smells
to love.
amazing.
La leche.
That is good.
Wow, that was good too.
Yeah.
Mm.
I like that one.
Very much. Maybe even better than the. Although I like the chocolate one. The chocolate one was rich.
Yeah, that was rich. I don't know how many of those I could eat. So this is jabri,
Ooh, baklava. I'm gonna pass. on
baklava.
Baklava. Baklava.
that. Baklava. Rudy loves that stuff.
Really?
From Amman, Jordan.
Yeah, that's.
I thought
Layers of
baklava
flaky dough
was
with
from.
crushed cashews. I like baklava.
Oh.
I thought it was from Greece.
It says Amman, Jordan.
You don't want one? There's only 4 in there, so.
Oh, good.
Ooh,
I'm
oh
tapping
God. Ooh.
I'm tapping out.
You big baby.
How is it?
Okay,
Crunchy?
Sean.
You like baklava?
Yeah, but this doesn't really taste like anything.
No?
What do you think? Because you're a connoisseur of baklava.
I liked it.
I mean, it's okay. It's just.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, guys, I have news. Rudy married me this week. No, wait. Is it still this week?
Wait a minute. Last week?
Sometime I got married.
This week.
I'm so
Wait a minute. Was I there?
Oh, maybe it wasn't you.
Okay, the next one are some chips from
Okay,
France.
this is my
But no fish.
It says Francais.
Francais.
Is that the goat cheese?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Filet chili potato chips?
Yeah. Well, I can't read it, but it's got pictures of potato chips, chilies, and cheese.
It says chips with cream and a hint of heat.
Hint of heat.
Oh, I got 3.
Oh, you got 3. That's so good.
You have to eat them all.
You gotta eat them all now.
It smells like goat cheese.
Oh my word, it does.
Oh! All right, you gotta eat this one with your nose like this.
Does it smell bad?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste bad. You just have to be careful so that you're not smelling while it's going in.
That's right.
Exactly. Don't take.
So
Don't
what's
breathe.
the smell?
Go.
I'm gonna say
Oh,
use gym socks, but
Yeah.
that's me.
Yeah, that's even better than goat fur. Sick. Are you a fan of goat cheese?
Oh.
Put it on your plate.
Unless you want to mention other used
got
gym clothing, but
Damaged
no.
on goat stuff when
We'll
I
stick
was
with
younger.
socks.
Who damaged you? Your mother?
Some people in Minnesota, they let their goats run out in the thistles. And
And
they ate the thistles, and when you drank their milk, it tasted like thistle.
but I'm sure it was more nutritious than like just plain old dandelion.
Probably was. Okay,
Tostones.
this is
That's
lime.
from, that
sick.
bag is from around here. So
This is a local bag, so we started a new section.
Yep.
Okay,
starting a
crunchy
new
green
section, friends.
plantain chips.
Oh dear.
Reduced
Oh dear.
sodium. Ooh, that's a nice big chip.
Plantain chips
Okay.
with lime.
You know what plantain is,
This
right?
I know what
Yeah,
plantain
but
is.
I'm not a.
This smells like the salt and vinegar chips.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
It's got a bit of a tang to it.
Well, I reckon.
Oh my word. My face is not happy right now.
Now,
That's nasty.
I'll pass on that one.
Tastes
Funny,
like
I like it.
That's
Give her
weird.
the bag.
That is weird. What's next?
That's it? No.
Oven baked
sesame.
parm crisps.
Parm crisps.
Sesame. They look like mini rice patties, rice cakes. Okay, that's it. I'm taking 2.
Oh, they're babies.
And they got little seeds
Oh,
in
how
them.
cute. I had some yogurt the other day that was passion fruit, and they had like turds all over in it,
Nice.
like goat turds or something. Wait, not that big.
Oh, whoa! Don't stick your nose in the bag.
Mm-mm.
That's bad.
That's got an aftertaste that's like,
Oh my word.
Oh,
not for me.
they better not pass these wafers at communion.
I should have
No.
only taken 1.
I flicked mine
How
off
many
and
did you take?
for a
2.
chicken.
And he threw one away.
Oh my.
That one's not for me. I'm sure somebody out there likes it, but oof.
That's gonna cause some horrendous gas.
Okay, churros.
Who?
Churros.
Churros, salted caramel churros.
I love salted caramel, so I'm hoping that they're good.
It's now in multigrain.
Multigrain.
Let's see how this one is. I'm going to take 2. I didn't learn my lesson from last time.
I think you're supposed to lick it and pass it, but that's me.
Yeah, it smells kind of chocolatey.
Hey, it's lovely.
Okay, this is good. Nice bouquet.
Isn't that lovely?
Yeah, well,
Okay, guys, you can go to your nearest and pick that up. That's not bad.
churros.
You didn't like them farm chips?
Okay.
From farm
What
chips?
happens to the stuff that's disgusting?
We leave it at Joe's and he eats it anyway.
You can't say disgusting. Sponsors
But
will not
you don't
like
want to
that.
throw it away. Somebody paid good money for
Oh,
that.
look, there's eggs in here.
Sundried tomatoes.
What? What kind of a
We're
crazy
supposed to eat
pants
these
is
raw.
that?
You're supposed to put this in food.
I thought there
They're
was.
a snack.
This is a snack.
A snack.
Julienne cut.
I
It's a
thought there were
snack.
eggs in there.
See, here's some smoking devil eggs that they're putting them on.
Who's Julianne?
Julienne.
I'm telling you, it said they were a snack.
Okay, it's antioxidant rich. So,
Can't beat that.
It's a snack.
We're in.
sun-dried
Eat it up.
tomatoes. I hope no birds were flying over it when they were sun-drying them.
Well, if mine has a white fleck on it, I'm eating it anyway.
Smells like bacon.
Oh,
Looks like bacon.
no, it smells like
It smells awful. I can smell it way back here. It smells awful.
it's all soft, guys, like squishy.
I don't.
Like they took strings of ketchup and dried it.
It's got seeds in it and everything.
Is it?
See the seeds?
I guess. Not sure I would. What
What?
did you throw away?
Nothing.
Interesting.
Jean,
Eat it up.
they
Good for
lied.
you.
Yeah, I know.
That's just wrong.
A
It'll
couple
put
of them
hair on
wasn't
my
too
chest.
bad, but then it started going downhill for me pretty quick.
Oh, wow. Oh, my word.
Okay, smart fries. It's a
Smart
new
fries.
recipe. Air popped potato sticks.
What?
Classic sea salt.
Classic sea salt.
3. These kind of look, if there was a little bit fluffier, they'd look like those things that you pack in your boxes to keep.
Hey, these are albino worms. You can't fool me.
Doesn't taste like anything.
Oh,
I think if you
crispy,
just-
but no taste. Yeah.
I think if you just wanted to be munching on something
Yeah.
and you didn't care if it.
I think this is packing
Peanuts.
peanuts.
Packing peanuts.
There's no flavor. Unless I'm broken from that tomato.
Wait a minute. You can't say packing peanuts. What's the matter with you?
There's a little bit of salty taste to it, but
Find something that tastes better.
well, this is a Pepero Almond from Korea.
What?
Wait.
I saw it from Korea on somewhere.
Right there. Right there.
Can you say perro and Korea? From
Korea's
the same
number
time?
1 brand.
Okay.
And they even got a nice little 2 open box here. Oh, that came out nice.
What?
It's in another, oh, there's only 2 sticks in. Sorry, guys.
You're going to have to be the only one.
You're gonna have to take one for
Are
the
there really
team.
only 2?
No. It felt like there was only 2. They're these little sticky things. I give it an A+ for presentation. That's
Indeed,
nice.
that's a great presentation.
Now we're.
It looks kind of like those ice cream things with the little, chunks on the side.
Either
Yeah,
that,
if
or
it
when
was
you need
bigger.
when the hospital
The
wants a
dum-dums.
sample.
Oh,
Ew.
I had to send one of those in the other day.
That's good.
I like it.
Small, but good.
Yeah.
It's chocolate. What can be bad?
Indeed.
That's true.
It's like an unsalted pretzel dipped in chocolate.
almond and chocolate. How bad?
Well, it beats caramel.
You could use it to stir your coffee. Stir
Hey,
your
that's
aroma.
a good idea.
It's yummy.
Oh, Jean, you.
Hot and honey cheese flavor.
Oh, my word.
Cheese doodles.
Have you had them?
Hot honey and cheese. I don't know. Let's see if the by date means that we can't eat any.
I used to know a hot
scared
honey
of
with
this.
cheese.
This one scares me, Gene.
Mommy.
I'm gonna take 2 anyway.
Looks like big turtle turds.
Oh.
Holy bucket, smell that.
Doesn't smell anything to me. Okay.
Well,
Yeah,
eh,
it's okay, I guess. Now.
it's got a little bit of a bite.
Yeah, but I can taste the honey.
You like it?
You can taste the honey?
Not quite sure.
I'm not into
I
meat
cannot
and
taste
sweet
that
and
either.
salty. I could probably eat those.
Okay, what do we got left? 5 more? 7 more?
Let's do
That one.
this one next.
Wait a minute. I think you're supposed to use these Caesars.
Oh, dang
Too
it.
late.
Well,
These
use
are-
it for that bag.
These are some cocoa rolls. Salted caramel, made with pure coconut cream.
Okay. Sounds good.
Dairy free, it says.
What's the fun of that?
Oh, come
And
on.
gluten free, it says.
No gluten?
Oh.
Isn't that one of the deadly sins, gluten?
It is.
No.
Look at.
It's hollow in the middle.
Do not eat the packet.
Don't eat that. It's
Unless you're a millennial, then it's okay.
it's got a coconut smell to it.
It's got a coconut taste to it, I think. Yeah? Not real strong, but
Like taquitos.
I like it.
Those?
I like it.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'd buy that.
Package that one up and put it in my house.
I'd buy that for $1.
Okay.
No, hell no. I'm not eating.
Oh,
No.
come on.
No,
you
I'm
have
not.
to taste it.
I'm not. You
You
can't
have
make
to.
me. Oh,
yeah,
hell no.
yeah, you have to.
Crunchians. We're gonna do the sweet one last. You might like it. Crunchians,
Wait, do I have
baked.
boogers in my
It's
nose? I
baked,
can't do that
not
if I have
fried.
boogers.
Harvest Nest, made with real veggies. Sweet, tangy, and chili.
That's it?
I took 2 pieces.
Took 2 for the team.
Crunch onions?
Crunchy-ons.
No can do.
Eh.
You're gonna kill the grass.
Dang it. That,
Oh.
Well, that'd be okay.
Red
Okay, this
Winkle
one
Snack
here.
Crisps.
is Bee's Knees. Spicy honey straws. It was born in Brooklyn, New York. Blending the best wildflower honey from U.S. with a spicy habanero kick.
What?
That's what the scissors are for.
Here, Joe.
You're supposed to use scissors on them?
Well, unless you can get them open easy.
And bite the end off?
Bite it off.
Cheryl? What if you like it?
Cheryl,
No
you have
bee
to at least
kneecaps
taste it.
were hurt at
You
this
have-
product.
You have to at least
Ow.
taste it.
Mom, she hit me.
Here, I'll just. Are you eating that whole thing?
He will, because it's habanero. He likes habanero.
Oh, I don't think so. He's like.
Oh,
Let me just lick your tongue and get the taste.
yeah, you don't want to do that even.
Oh, see?
Taste it. You need to.
Oh, my word.
Interesting idea.
Oh my word! That's smooth. Was that
Don't
smooth?
swallow wrong.
Oh, my word, that's bad.
What happened? Did I gag you again?
Rudy, you're going to have to take one for the team.
Good.
Oh, my God,
I
that's nasty.
sampled it.
That's nasty, Jean. Just flat out. Did you eat it? You.
No, I tasted them before. I'm not doing it again.
Oh, man.
Now you tell us.
Remember to
Did he
call
do
us
it?
at BR549.
Did you like it?
No.
No.
Don't get that, guys. It may sound cute, bee's knees.
Well.
It's not.
They might love
It's not the
habanero
bee's
honey.
knees, no.
I don't like honey to begin
So,
with.
what was your favorite?
Oh,
I think the
That's too
truffle
far
thing
back.
was,
I can't
was
remember.
the one I liked.
The what?
The truffle thing.
Yeah, well, those were gone. You guys ate them all.
This was okay.
I thought the churros were
The
good.
churros were good.
I can't remember back that far.
Yeah, no, there you go.
The cocoa
Rose.
rolls, those were pretty good.
Those.
No.
Sun-dried. Those would be good in something.
Yeah, just not by itself.
These are
Like
okay.
in pizza. That hay was gross.
That green tea,
That was-
crunchy.
Interesting.
Where's the other
No.
ones? Cheese doodles.
She ate them all. She's sitting back there with all this stuff.
Lime, plantain chip soap.
Look at all that.
This is all the stuff we tried.
This is the one I liked
You
best.
tried all that?
Truffle.
Yeah.
Wow.
The Truffles popcorn I think I liked the best.
I agree.
That was very
I'm
good.
just going to pick what Joe
Like that
picks.
baklava stuff. That was.
Yeah, the baklava. We like the baklava.
Baklava on truffles.
You like the baklava too?
I think Ariel makes a better baklava.
Almost anybody.
I mean, it was okay, but you know, when Ariel makes it, it squishes out honey in your mouth and it tastes really yummy.
Sorry, Joe. Oh my word, that was funny.
Okay.
I need like some kind of liquid in my mouth to switch
Right.
around, and You have a hose with water or something in it?
Yeah, we'll have to find that.
It's hot here. Guys,
That was it, peeps.
Have fun.
Yeah.
have
you.
fun
See you
storming the
next time.
castle.
I hope you guys are flamazing. Stay blessed. Until next time. Hey, you made it to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. The outtakes are coming up next. You don't want to miss them.
It early.
So, I see Megan and Sam
See?
and Mark
That's why she's in the back.
and Jessica and
You made me leak out of my eyes.
That's my palate.